Colonel John Rage Matthew Alvarado, Corps G1. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel RJ Nudo, Corps G2. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Kairan Falcunit, Corps G3. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Matt Kevin Marilag, Corps G4. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Charlene Key Silvestra Camposano, Corps G7. Major's Leader Miss Bettina Pauline Francia. Band Leader Mr. Yumar Pili. Company Commander Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jerome Mata. Company Commander Company EXO Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Gilbert Villarreal. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Johnson Dokot. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Cynthia Alvar. Majorette Trainer Mr. Marvin Viterbo and Mr. Cesar Dimabayaw. Band Master Trainer Mr. Jonathan Tasara and Mr. Mark Robin Orbita. Entry number 71, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City. Entry number 71, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur.